Hello, fellow Ukesters.
Hello.
It's Randy and Mary Clark from Lollipop Music, doing our every other Saturday Ukulele Club leadership thing. We've been making videos at home ever since the coronavirus outbreak and the stay-at-home order, so we're doing our best to keep things going, so to speak. We used to meet every other Saturday at Lollipop Music, the ukulele club, the Cool Cat Ukulele Club in Princeton, West Virginia. And so here we are with another installment. Today we're going to do 3 songs. We're going to do Hallelujah and Three Little Birds and Blue Bayou. So have your ukes tuned up and get ready to play along with us. We'll give you some tips before each song, and there's a PDF file for each one of these songs available on Lollipop Music's Facebook page that you can download so that you can play along with us. So anything else before we get started?
No.
Okay. So on this song, Hallelujah, this song can be done in 3/4 time or 6/8 time. We do it in 6/8 time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because of the way that I do the finger picking on this. The finger picking on this is 6 note per measure because of the 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's string 4, string 3, string 2, string 1, string 2, string 3. Remember, your strings are numbered 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1 is closest to the floor and string 4 is closest to your chin when you're playing. And I use a separate finger for each string. Thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. So the thumb is always on the 4th string, the index finger is always on the 3rd string, my middle finger is always on the 2nd string, and my ring finger is always on the 1st string. So again, the string sequence is 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's one sequence. I will go this at the intro. It's C and A minor. It'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the thumb starts the new chord each time. Now that's the picking pattern throughout the song. However, there's 3 places that's in once in each verse where there's a quick F and G, and we do a little different pattern on that. On the F and G, and I've circled those pairs in each verse so you know exactly which F and G it is. I deviate a little from the picking pattern because it's a quicker chord change. So I do the thumb, index, and then the pair, both middle and ring finger on strings 1 and 2. So it's a, do it on the F chord. Then that goes right into a G chord, and you do the same pattern. Yeah, so it's thumb, index, and pair. And it goes kind of quick. Here's the line. It's the 3rd line down on the 1st verse. It goes like this. The 4th, the 5th, the major. So around those 2 chords, it's the same throughout the song picking pattern, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. But when you get to those two chords, you do that thumb, index, pair, and then right into the G chord. Thumb, index, pair. And then from there you go right into an A minor, back to the regular picking 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, Mary's gonna do a simplified strumming. She's just gonna strum twice per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So when she gets to that F and G quick change, she'll be strumming once per chord. So just before that on the C, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall. Good. Okay. Chords in this are the C chord, A minor, F chord, G chord, and then we've got an E7 chord, great chord. Yeah, nice. Cool sounding chord. And a G7 chord. Yeah. Perfect. And that should cover all the chords. Okay, Hallelujah. It has a pretty good pace to it, so hopefully you can keep up. The pace will be, or the tempo is going to be about like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I did my best, it wasn't much. I couldn't feel, so I tried to touch. I told the truth, I didn't come to fool